Hey guys, so it's been a month or so since we finished the shed, and so now it's time to get started on our new project. We've got an old deck out back. I'll show you here in just a minute, and we're going to tear that out and put in a whole new deck. So the first step is to get rid of the old deck and prepare the ground, and just kind of clean up and make sure we got a good like clean canvas basically to start with. So that's what we're doing today, is getting to work on tearing that out. So let's go.
All right, we actually already got to work a little bit.
Yeah.
But this is a current deck on the back of the house.
We're gonna be building better.
We're gonna build a better one, but so this is currently
Like this whole area right over here is what it looked like before, but
yeah,
right
we cut one little piece off. That's all we've done so far.
Yeah.
But
it took down some of the telephone poles.
yeah, it's got these telephone pole pillars. They had like ropes stretched between them to kind of give it like a nautical look before, but
yeah.
This is what your before picture looks like. Noah, how long have we been working?
3 hours, not including breaks.
3 hours with a 15-minute break. Look at that. This thing was built on railroad ties. The deck was built on top of railroad ties. The rain is coming, so I think this is a good stopping point for a little while. Look at this. Look at it all except for the little piece over there. That's our second trailer load. Woo!
Yeah.
You work hard? Yeah. Alright, good job.
We got one more to go. Look how much progress we've made.